Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to our channel. Today we have a new lesson from Traveler 6, Module 2, Unit 4, Student Book, page 44. Our lesson today is vocabulary. As we mentioned before, all vocabulary lessons start with words easily confused, as you see. Today we have 5 groups of words. Let us start to differentiate between the words in the first group to be able to answer the questions. Let's move to the vocabulary. Here we have the word peak. The word peak. What do we mean by the word peak? It means that the point of highest intensity, value, or achievement. Here we have an example. Peak traffic is between 8 and 9 in the morning. Okay? Let's move to the other word. We have the word height. What do we mean by the word height? It's the measurement of how tall somebody or something is. For example, George is the same height as his brother. Okay? The third word is top. Here we have the word top. Okay? The word top means the highest point of something. For example, Liu is a professional climber and he has managed to reach the top of Mount Everest. Okay? Let's move to answer the questions. Here we have the 3 words peak, height, top. Let's answer the questions. Here we have the first question is number 1. It's impossible to get through on the phone. Pay attention to the word impossible. It means not possible or something can't be done. Okay? It's impossible to get through on the phone. Here the word get through on the phone. We mean by get through on the phone to speak to somebody on the phone. Okay? So it's impossible to get through on the phone at this time of day because it's the space hour. Here, the best answer will be the word peak. Okay? It's the peak hour. As we mean ساعة الذروة. Let's move to number 2. It takes me only 1 minute to climb to the space floor of the building using the stairs. Here, the best answer will be top floor. Number 3. From this space, you can see the ocean. You can see the ocean. Here, the best answer will be height. From this height. Here, the word height means ارتفاع. Okay? Let's move to the second group. Second group is notice, remark, observe. Let's go to the vocabulary. We have the word notice. What do we mean by the word notice? Notice means to observe something, or we can add a new definition to be aware of something. Okay? Example, while I was looking out of the window, I noticed a light flashing on and off. Okay? Let's move to the second word. Second word here is remark. Remark is a verb. It means to say or write something and comment on it. Here's the example. I remarked on the similarity between the two children. Okay, we have the other word is observe. Observe is a verb. It means to look at something with interest. Okay, let's move to answer the questions. Here the words notice, remark, observe. Number 4. I am supposed to space the surgeon. I am supposed to space the surgeon so that I can see how the operation is done. Pay attention here. Here's the word surgeon. What do we mean by the word surgeon? It means a doctor who performs medical operations. Okay, let's answer the question. I am supposed to space. What's the best word here? The best word here is observe. Here, someone watch something carefully. Here, someone watches something carefully. He watches the surgeon while he is doing the operation. Okay, number 5. Did you space which way the red car went? Did you notice? Did you notice? Okay, let's move. Number 6. John space that my room was a mess, which was actually quite rude of him. John space that my room was a mess. What do we mean by the word mess? The word mess means a dirty or untidy place. Okay, which was actually means really. Okay, we have also the word rude. Rude means impolite. Let's answer the question. John space that my room was a mess. John remarked here. The verb here in the past. Okay, let's move the other group. The other group here, signal, sign, symbol, gesture. Let's move to the vocabulary and the meaning of the words. Here we have the word signal. Signal. Signal means a sign or gesture or sound intended as a message or a command. Example, we had agreed that he would flash the torch as a signal. Okay, we have the word sign. Here the word sign means a piece of wood, metal or plastic that tells or shows people something. Example, you should always stop at a stop sign. Okay, we have the word gesture. Do we mean by the word gesture? The word gesture means body movement that represents a feeling or an action. Let's move to answer the questions. Here we have the word signal, sign, symbol, gesture. Okay, we have missed the word symbol. The word symbol means it's an idea or shape or design used to represent something. Okay, let's answer the questions. Number 7, I'm sorry, I didn't see the stop what? Stop sign. Okay, number 8, give me the space when you are ready to leave. Give me what? Give me the signal. Give me the signal when you are ready to leave. Number 9, when you make this in my country, it means that you are bored. That you are bored. Here, the word bored means, or it's a feeling of being not interested in something or an activity. Okay, the word bored, it's a feeling. So the best answer here will be gesture. خلاص, it's okay. طيب, number 10. The dove, the dove. Pay attention to the word the dove. The dove, dove here means a bird, often used as a symbol of peace. The dove is a symbol of peace. Okay, let's move to the other groups. We have the word location, position, site, spot. Let's move to the meanings of them. We have the word location. Location means where something is positioned. Here's the word location. Another meaning, location means the place where something happens or exists. Okay? For example, what's the exact location of the village you come from? Okay, let's move to the other word. The other word here is position. Position is a place where somebody or something is. For example, move the chair back to its usual position, please. The other word is site. Site. It means a place of importance or where there is some activity going on. The word site. Okay? Or it has another meaning, a place used for something or where something has happened. Okay? Here is the example. Tourists are permitted to visit the site where the ancient statues were found. Okay? Let's move to the other word. The other word is spot. Spot. Spot means a specific place or location. Okay, the example here, we found a cool spot in the shade to get some rest. To get some rest. Let's move to the questions. Here we have the word location, position, site, spot. Number 11. My neck hurts today. My neck hurts today. So I must have slept in a strange space last night. In a strange what? In a strange position. Okay, in a strange position. Number 12. The space of the submarine is top secret. Here, pay attention to the word submarine. Submarine means it's a ship or a warship that operates entirely underwater. Okay, here the answer will be the location of the submarine is top secret. Number 30. The Valley of the Butterflies is a well known. Here the word well known means famous. Okay, the Valley of the Butterflies is a well-known beauty space on the island and attracts many tourists. Here the answer will be spots, beauty spots. Number 14. The archaeological space dates back to the Bronze Age. Pay attention here to this sentence. Here the word archaeological means it's related to the study of ancient cultures through their artifacts. Pay attention here also to the word dates back to, related to. Related to what? To the Bronze Age. The Bronze Age means it's it's a period of time before the age of steel. Okay? Here the best answer will be site, the archaeological site. Okay, let's move to the last group of the words. Transfer, transmit, transport. Let's move to the meanings of the words. Here we have the word transfer. Transfer means to move somebody or something to another place. Transfer means to move somebody or something to another place. Example, Sean doesn't work here anymore. He has been transferred to California. Okay, we have also the word transmit. Transmit. The word transmit here means to send a set of electrical waves in the form of sound or picture from one point to another. Another meaning for the word transmit, to send a signal from one place to another. To send a signal from one place to another. Example, that machine transmits signal using radio frequencies. Okay, let's move to the last word, the word transport. Transport. Transport means to carry people or goods from one place to another. Let's move to the questions to answer them. Okay, here we have the word transfer, transmit, transport. Number 15. They are very careful about hygiene. Hygiene. The word hygiene means the act of keeping the body and the environment clean. Pay attention to this word. The word hygiene means the act of keeping the body and the environment clean. So they are very careful about hygiene so as not to space what? Huh? Transmit diseases from one person to another. Okay, number 16. Will you please tell me how space to the money to my bank account? Here the best answer will be transfer. How to transfer the money to my account. The last sentence, there is a bus that will space you to the swimming pool if you like. The best answer here will be transport. That's all for now. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Goodbye. God bless you.